Welcome to my geometry course. This is lesson 1-7, three-dimensional figures. In our last lesson, we talked about two-dimensional figures and the number of sides that they have. Um, I'll be doing the same exact thing after three-dimensional figures. So, sit tight and watch this video. Lesson 1-7.1, three-dimensional figures, the surface area and volume. I'll have it short for this as well. So the surface area of the sphere is 4 times pi times the radius squared. The surface areas of a cube are 6a squared or a cubed. A cubed is actually the volume, but it's still the same thing. The surface area of a cone is pi times the radius, which is the radius plus the square root of height squared plus the radius. And then the surface area of a rectangular prism is 2 times length times width, plus height times the length, plus height times the width. The volume of the sphere is 4 thirds times pi times radius cubed. The volume of a cube is a cubed. The volume of a cone is pi times the radius squared times height divided by 3. And then the volume of a rectangular prism is width times height times the length. Yeah, and I would like to give shout outs to Cody5. The other half of this video would be the YouTube short that I planned out. So, the surface area of a cube is 6 times a squared. C times S, so C times the surface area is 4a squared. And then the volume is a cubed. And then the diagonal is a times the square root of 3. The cuboid for T times S times A is 2 times length times the base, plus base times height, plus height times length. Then C times S times A is 2 times length times the width times the height. Length plus the base times height. The volume is LBH. And then the diagonal would be the surface will be the square root of length squared plus b squared plus height squared. And then the surface area of a cylinder is 2 times pi times the radius times height plus the radius in parentheses. C times S times A is 2 times pi times radius times height. Volume would be 2 pi times radius squared times height. The cone would be pi times the radius times length plus radius in parentheses. Then C times S times A is equal to pi times the radius times height. Volume would be 1/3 times pi r squared times height. Then volume or hour, whatever, would be radius squared plus height squared. So, the surface area of a sphere is 4 times pi times radius squared. The volume will be 4 times, 4 over 3 times pi times radius cubed. Then we have a hemisphere, which we're not going over. So, thanks for watching this video. If you are in geometry or if you are in my class, like and subscribe.